This is one of the comfort menu in Asia, easy to find everywhere in Thailand, Hainanese chicken rice. The traditional way honestly might not be the friendliest for the weeknights since you're gonna poach the whole chicken and on, so this recipe I'm showing is an easy version. There's a few elements we have to work on, the chicken, the soup, the rice, the sauce, but don't worry, we'll go step by step together. Hi guys, it's Pam again from Thai Girl in the Kitchen. Lovely to see you again, and if you're new, welcome. Alright, let's jump right into part 1, chicken and soup. Here's what we need. Chicken, I'm using thighs today. Ginger, a few cloves of garlic, green onions, and salt. Peel the ginger. You're gonna love peeling it this way. Just use the spoon and then ta-da! Peel them off easily. There are some corners I didn't get them with the spoon, so the knife comes to help. Slice them up. We're gonna need 4 or 5 slices for this step and the rest of the ginger for the sauce and rice. Peel the garlic. And cut the green onion. Set them aside. For chicken, we're gonna steal some extra fat here and there for cooking the rice later. And you can also use any part you like because the traditional way, we use the whole chicken anyway, so any part is good for this dish. Now we get some chicken fat and skin. We'll deal with them later. Pour 1.5 liter water in the pot. Then add a half tablespoon of salt in it. Now we're gonna put the herbs in, and one garlic, couldn't wait to dive right in. For green onion, I'm saving the green part to put later. Well, it's more beautiful not looking soggy. Stir a bit, and we don't need to wait until the water boils. Gently put chicken in. Swing the skin part a bit to tighten it. And to get the clear soup, after the chicken is in, we don't want to stir. Just poke to make sure they're all covered with the soup. Wait until the water starts to boil. We're gonna see little bubbles. Turn to medium heat and do not close the lid. Leave them for about 20 minutes. And during waiting for the chicken, let's make the sauce. Finely dice ginger and chop the chili. About 3 tablespoons each, but you can adjust to what you like for the spice. There are many versions of sauce for Hainanese chicken rice. What I've had in Singapore or Malaysia, the sauce is red color. This sauce recipe we're making today is the version we commonly have in Thailand, this one. Then we also need sweet dark soy sauce, light soy sauce, vinegar, sugar, Chinese salted soya bean or some might call yellow bean paste, and a bit soup from the pot. Then powder ginger and chili. If you don't like strong spice aroma, just finely chop is totally fine. Add 6 tablespoons salted soya bean. 1 tablespoon sugar, a couple tablespoons white vinegar, one tablespoon light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon sweet dark soy sauce, and chicken broth 1 tablespoon. Give it a good mix. Then we're good for the dipping sauce. Now the chicken should be cooked. Remove the foam and some fat from the surface. They're from the blood and fat from the chicken skin. We want to have a clear soup to have with this dish later. Soak the chicken in the iced water for about 5 minutes. It will tighten the chicken skin up so it's more beautiful when we cut into small pieces and serve on the plate. Then pat them with a paper towel, and to get the beautiful chicken skin, lightly apply some vegetable oil. Okay, the last part to deal with, rice. These are the chicken fat we kept from earlier. Put them in the pan with medium heat and stir time to time until the oil is released. If you don't use chicken fat or chicken skin in this part, it's totally okay to use vegetable oil instead. But trust me, the oil from chicken makes the rice taste much better. Once we have enough oil, remove them. Then add the sliced ginger and chopped garlic. Stir for a few minutes. 2 cups of rice. Don't forget to clean the rice with water for at least a couple times first, then drain in colander. Mix them up and keep stirring until the rice kind of absorbs the oil and the garlic and ginger aroma. Then put them all in the rice cooker. We're going to cook the rice with the broth. And how many cups of broth do we need? Honestly, I never measure the water with a cup when cooking rice. I believe same with most Asians. We grow up measuring by the first knuckle of the finger. Let me know in a comment if you measure the water like this. But since the broth is hot, we're gonna measure with eyes and feelings. Just kidding. I asked my mom. She said for 2 cups of rice, go for 2.5 cups of broth. She was a bit freaked out and went, I taught you to measure with finger. Why on earth you're using a cup now? But she's a cool lady, my best friend ever actually. Then just put it in the cooker and beep the cooking switch. Prepare some cucumber and or other fresh veggies to have with. Then here we finally have our homemade Hainanese chicken rice. Since it takes a while to cook, I always love making a lot in one time and have it for at least a couple meals for 2 people. Well, gonna make it worth the cooking time, right? If you like this recipe, please leave me a thumb up. And if you haven't subscribed yet, consider hit that button as well, and don't forget to hit the bell button so you'll receive notification when there is a new recipe for you. For today, thank you very much for joining this cooking with me, and see you again next time. สวัสดีค่ะ Have a lovely day.